Bad driver. Unit 30. Bad driver, good driver. Bad driver, good driver. So here we are coming to learn about drivers. And we are looking at the difference between a bad driver and a good driver. Okay, let's look at the keywords. Careful, care, carry, tires, like car tires, course, death, road, correct, number. What do you see? What do you see in the picture? So let's look at the picture. Now there are two cars or two vehicles. One has overloaded, you see, and one you can see that is following all the rules and regulations that a car must follow when it is on the road. Now let's look at the passage. Some drivers are bad. Some drivers are bad. Others are good. Others are good. Bad drivers do not take good care of their lorries. Bad drivers do not take good care of their lorries. They carry more people than their lorries can carry. They carry more people than their lorries can carry. They use bad tires. They can cause death on our roads. Good drivers take good care of their lorries. Good drivers take good care of their lorries. They use good tires. They take the correct number of people. They are always careful. Do you like a bad driver? No, I. Then you answer. No, I. Maybe no, I do not like a bad driver. Maybe no, I hate bad drivers. Send your answer to the comment section below. Unit 30.